Good morning, everyone. In today's chapter, it is about fractions. Now, all of you take out your maths workbook, page number 26. Maths workbook, page number 26. In the previous class, we already completed about additions. Today also, we are going to continue the same topic. Now, all of you take out your maths workbook, page number 26. See the first one. Complete the addition by filling the boxes. First one is 10 upon 12 or 10 by 12 we can got. 10 upon 12 plus how much I have to add, and the answer they give is 1 9 upon 12. 1 9 upon 12 is in the form of mixed fraction. It is in the form of mixed fraction. So 12 ones are 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9, it's 21. What is that? 21 upon 12. How much I have to add it for 10 to become a 21? If I add 11 upon 12, 10 plus 11 is 21 and the denominators are same. What are the denominators are same in the fractions. So the answer is 11 upon 12. 11 upon 12. Next one. 4 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11. What is that? Sorry, how much I have to add is, and the answer is 7 upon 11. 7 upon 11. So if I add 3 for 4 upon 11, if I add 3 upon 11, 4 plus 3 is 7. What is that? 4 plus 3 is 7. So the denominators are same in the two fractions. So 4 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11 is 7 upon 11. What is that? 7 upon 11. Next one, 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12. How much I have to add for 8 upon 12? If I add 1 upon 12, it becomes 9 upon 12. It becomes 9 upon 12. Next sum, 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7. How much we have to add? And here the answer is 1 by 7. 1 by 7. It's in the form of mixed fraction. 7 ones are 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So it is 8 upon 7. So if I add 5 upon 7, 3 upon 7. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and the denominators are same. So it is 7. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and the denominator is 7. So 3 upon 7. Next one, 6 by 8 plus how much I have to add, and it is 5 1 by 8. What is that? 5 1 by 8. See here, it is in the form of mixed fraction. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 plus 1, 41. What is that? 41 by 8. 41 upon 8. If I minus 41 minus 6, what will comes? 45 minus 6. 41 minus 6. Is it possible? From 1 minus 6? No, what we have to do? We have to get a borrow from 4. So 4 becomes a 3, 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 6, it's a 5 and 3 carry out 1. What is that? It's 35 upon 8. 35 upon 8. Next one, 4 upon 6. 4 upon 6 plus 3 4 by 6 or 3 4 by 6. 3 4 by 6 is in the form of mixed fraction. If I add 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4. What is that? 18 plus 4. It's 22. How much? It's 22 upon 6. So 4. How much I have to add for 4? 6 3s are 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 4. It's 22. What is this? It is 22. How much I have to add for 4? See, 22 upon 6. Here 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4. It's 22. If I add for 4, 18. If I add 18 for 4, so 14, sorry, 18 by 6. 3 6 are, or 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4. It's 22. Next one. 4 2 by 10. 4 2 by 10 less. And the answer is 4 8 upon 10. 4 8 upon 10. It's in the form of mixed fraction. It's in the form of mixed fraction. 4 tens are, or 10 fours are 40. If I multiply 10 fours are 40 plus 2, it's a 42 upon 10. Here 10 fours are 40 plus 8. 48. What is that? 48 upon 10. How much I have to add for 42 to become a 48? If I add 6 upon 10, what is that? 6 upon 10, it becomes 48 upon 10. So 42 plus 6 is 48. 42 plus 6 is 48. So 48 upon 10. Now the next one. 4 by 6. What is it? 4 by 6 plus 2 5 by 6. 2 5 by 6. 6 twos are 12. What is this? 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 5. How much it is? 12 plus 5 is 17. What is that? 17. 17 upon 6. How much I have to add for 4 to become 17? If I add 13 upon 6. 13 upon 6. 4 plus 13 is 17. And the denominators are same. So here 6. What is that? It's a 6. Again, when I'm explaining this, it is in the form of mixed fraction. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. The denominator is 6. And the denominator is 6. How much I have to add for 4 to become 17 upon 6? If I add 13 upon 6, it becomes 17 upon 6. And the last sum in the fractions are 1 5 by 12 plus it is equal to 3 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12. Here these are in the same mixed fractions. 12 ones are 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5. It's 17 upon 12. What is that? 17 upon 12 plus 12 threes are 36. What is that? 12 threes are 36. 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7. 43. What is that? 43 upon 12. How much I have to add for 17 to become a 43? See here, if I minus 43, 43 minus 17. See here, 3 minus 7 is possible. No, what we have to do? We have to get a borrow from 4. 4 becomes a 3, 3 becomes 13. From 7 to 13. 7 to 13. So see, 13 minus 7. From 13 to 7, we can count backwards. So count backwards. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. How much? It's a 6. So 3 minus 1, it's 26. 3 minus 1 is 26. If I add 26 upon 12, 26 upon 12 plus 17 upon 12, it becomes 43 upon 12. What is that? 43 upon 12. Next one, subtract the fractions. Subtract the fractions. See the first one in the subtractions. 25 by 33. 25 by 33 minus 11 by 33. Minus 11 by 33. These are in the form of like fractions. The two denominators are same. The denominators of the fractions are same. So here also I am continuing the same denominator and the numerators I have to subtract. 25 minus 11. What is that? 25 minus 11. minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? It's a 4. 2 minus 1. It's a 1. How much I have to add? Sorry. How much I have to got the answer is 14 upon 33. What is that? 14 upon 33. Next one. 7 upon 8 minus 2 upon 8. 7 minus 7 upon 8 minus 2 upon 8. The denominators are same. The two denominators are same. So 7 minus 2. What is that? 7 minus 2. It's a 5. What is that? It's a 5. Next one. 14 upon 17. 14 upon 17 minus 9 upon 17. 9 upon 17. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. It's a 5 upon 17. 14 minus 9 is 5. And the two denominators are same. So 70 common. 8 4 by 6 minus 8 1 by 6. These are in the form of mixed fraction. These are in the form of mixed fraction. 8 6 are 48. What is that? 8 6 are 48 plus 4. 48 plus 4. It's a 52 upon 6 minus 8 6 are 48 plus 1. 48 plus 1 is 49. So it's 52 upon 6 minus 49 upon 6. 52 minus 49. It's a 3. What is that? It's 3. 3 upon 6. 3 upon 6. And the next one, 8 4 by 6 is completed. So next one, 4 4 by 5. 4 4 by 5 minus 3 2 by 5. 3 2 by 5. It's in the form of mixed fraction. It is in the form of mixed fraction. 5 4s are 20. What is that? 5 4s are 20 plus 4. 24 upon 5. What is that? 24 upon 5. 5 3s are 15 plus 2. It's 17. How much? 17. 17 upon 5. What is the one? Next one is, we have to minus. 24 minus 17. 24 minus 17. It's 7. How much it is? 7. 7 upon 15. If I minus 24 minus 17, or otherwise we can backward count. We can do backward count from 24. 24 to 17 is 7. And the denominators are 5. 7 upon 5. What is that? 7 upon 5. Next sum. And the next sum is 3 3 by 8 or 3 3 by 8 minus 2 5 by 8. 2 5 by 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27 upon 8. 27 upon 8 minus 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5. It's 21. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 upon 8. 27 minus 21. What is that? 27 minus 21. So it is 6. 6 upon 8. What is that? 6 upon 8. And the next sum is 1 3 by 4 minus 1 1 by 4. 1 3 by 4 minus 1 1 by 4. See here, these are in the form of mixed fractions. 4 1s are 4 plus 3. It's 7 upon 4. And 4 1s are 4 plus 1. It's a 5. 5 upon 4. 7 minus 5. It's 2. How much it is? 2 upon 4. Next sum. 9 3 by 6 minus 1 5 by 6. It's in the form of mixed fractions. 9 6 are or 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 3 is a 57. 57 upon 6 minus 6 1s are 6 plus 5. It's 11. 11 upon 6. What is this? 11 upon 6. 46 upon 6. 46 upon 6. Next one, 2 1 by 6 minus 1 2 by 6. 1 2 by 6. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 1, it's 13 upon 6 minus 6 ones are 6 plus 2, 8. 8 upon 6. So 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 5 upon 6. Okay, students, and today's home task is workbook page number 26, remaining subtractions, and activity book page number 20 and 21. 20 and